Welcome back to Papa's Home. This is part 3 of my fruit tree maintenance routine, and for those who are joining for the first time, I'll do a quick recap. Just make sure to hit that subscribe button, because it's the best way that you can support the channel. In the first video, I shared some of the steps I take in the spring. That's when I prune away about a third of the tree, add some fertilizer, and then add a fresh layer of mulch. In the second video, I share how I continuously prune the trees throughout the year. In today's video, I'm going to show you my maintenance routine for both the summer and the fall. Coincidentally, the steps that I take in the summertime are exactly the same as they are in the fall, which is why I combine them into one video. For those who want the short version of this video, all I'm going to do today is fertilize the trees. The reason I fertilize my trees is so I can provide them with all the right nutrients that help them grow bigger and produce more fruit. I also planted the trees in strategic locations. That way I can get a little added privacy from the windows in the front yard. And the larger the trees get, the more privacy I'll have. So let's jump into the summer and fall routine. Today I'll be using an organic citrus mix from Down to Earth. This is great stuff because I can use it on all my citrus trees and the avocado tree. It's a sandy substance and I pour what I need using a measuring cup. Based on the instructions, I know I need to apply 1 cup per every 1 inch of the trunk diameter measured around the base of the tree. So for my lime tree, since I measured 2.5 inches, I'll use about 2.5 cups of fertilizer. Before applying it, I'll pull back some of the mulch, remove the lights, and sometimes move the drip lines out of the way. Then I sprinkle in the fertilizer, applying it to the top of the soil. Here I'll sprinkle it in from the base of the tree to the drip stakes, since that's the tree's primary source of water. Once I apply the fertilizer to the top, the instructions recommend that I water it in. In this case, I'm using the garden hose. After today, the drip lines will handle all the watering on an automated schedule. I'll add a link to my sprinkler playlist in the description below, in case you're interested. So that's pretty much the end of the routine. After I water in the fertilizer, I put the drip lines, mulch, and lights back around the tree. So to do a quick recap, I fertilize the trees at the beginning of spring, summer, and fall. I take a break in the winter because that's when the trees go dormant. If you have fruit trees, just keep in mind that the steps you take might be slightly different than mine. It all really depends on what kind of tree you have, what size it is, and any other environmental factors. At the very least, I hope this gives you an idea of what's involved. I take these steps so that my trees can get bigger, produce lots of fruit, and give me some more privacy in the front. As always, I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you have any gardening tips, please be sure to share them in the comments below so that we can all learn and grow together. Happy Pride, everyone! Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for stopping by.